Today we're going to show you how to install the MLToys staged kits into your Power Wheels brand vehicle. What we have here is an example of a stage 1 or 2 kit, which both have our 550 motor in them, good for up to 18 volts. And then our stage 3, 4, or 5 kit has our much larger 775 motor in it, which will also have our aluminum motor mount on it. And these can run it up to 24 volts of power. With the kits, you may have heat sinks on them. If you pick that as an option, they'll already be added on to them. And then the kits are going to come with one of these 2 wire connector sets, which are marked for either 550 or 775 motors. Very, very easy to install. The clips just snap right onto the motors. And it doesn't matter which position you put them in. I mean, it's nice when you put red with red, black with black, but because of the power distribution clips, you can switch them around in the car. And this is very easy. We open up the 2 ends, slide these off, slide the motor wire all the way in, lock it down. Same thing for the second one. Slide it all the way in, lock it down, and then the motor leads that came from the vehicle, make sure you don't switch them from the right side of the vehicle to the left side of the vehicle. You want to keep them on the same side they originated. You'll cut them the same way that these were, insert them in here, lock them in place, and then before you seal the vehicle up, you're going to want to just power it quickly and make sure you have the direction right. If the direction is wrong, just pop them out of here, switch the 2 wires, pop them back in, and you're good to go. The 775 kit works exactly the same way. It's just got a different size tab on the motor. What's very key with both of these kits is to make sure that the wire harnesses, the wires coming out of the vehicle, are secured and not bouncing around. If these bounce around a whole lot, you're going to break the tabs off of the motors. Now, tabs breaking off the motors is not a manufacturing defect. It's nothing that we did wrong. It's that you let the wires bounce around. So do make sure you keep them secured so that you don't wind up having to invest in another motor. Once you're done with that, please, please, please follow the break-in instructions that come with the vehicle. If you're not electronically minded, you may basically need to know is that the motor brushes are flat and the armature is round. And they're going to throw a lot of sparks during that time. The break-in is going to seat those brushes, round them off a little bit before the motors are under a lot of strain. So please follow those break-in instructions. Once you're done, you're ready to go out and have a lot of fun. It's that simple to use an MLToys stage mounting kit.